Hi, here are the 10 principles from the book The Greatest Salesman in the World by Og Mandino. 1. Habits. The only difference between the one who have failed and the one who have succeeded lies in the difference of their habits. Our actions are ruled by appetite, passion, prejudice, greed, love, fear, environment, habit. And the worst of these tyrants is habit. Therefore, if one must be a slave to habit, then he or she should be a slave to good habits. 2. Express your love. Look all the things with love. Love the sun, for it warms your bones. Love the rain, for it cleanses your spirit. Love the light, for it shows you the way. Love the darkness, for it shows you the stars. Love your enemy, and they will become your friend. Encourage your friends, and they will become your brothers. Find a reason to applaud, and never gossip. Don't criticize, but praise. Love all men, for each has qualities to be admired. 3. Persistence. Always you should take another step. If that is of no avail, then take another, and yet another. In truth, one step at a time is not too difficult. Never end your day with failure. So long as you breathe, that long you will persist. The greatest principles of success: if you persist long enough, you will win. 4. You are unique. Never has there been another with your mind, heart, eyes, ears, hands, hair, mouth. None can walk and talk and move and think exactly like you. None can duplicate your handwriting. None has the ability to sell exactly like you. Capitalize on this difference, for it is an asset to be promoted to the fullest. 5. Live this day as if it is your last. Waste not a moment mourning yesterday's misfortunes, yesterday's defeats, yesterday's aches of the heart. Yesterday is buried forever, and you will think of it no more. Forgetting yesterday, neither will you think of tomorrow. Don't concern yourself over events which you may never witness. Tomorrow lies buried with yesterday, and you will think of it no more. The duties of today you shall fulfill today. You will labor harder than ever before, and then you will continue. You will make more calls than ever before. You will sell more goods than ever before. 6. Master your emotions. Unless your mind is right, the day will be a failure. If you bring rain and gloom and darkness and pessimism to your customers, then they will react with rain and gloom and darkness and pessimism, and they will purchase not. If you bring joy and enthusiasm and brightness and laughter to your customers, they will react with joy and enthusiasm and brightness and laughter, and your weather will produce a harvest of sales. 7. Laugh at the world. Do you truly know where you came from and where you will go? When you smile, your digestion will improve. When you chuckle, your burdens will be lightened. When you laugh, your life will be lengthened. And most of all, you should laugh at yourself, for man is most comical when he takes himself too seriously. 8. Multiply your value. Set goals for the day, the week, the month, and your life. In setting your goals, consider your best performance of the past and multiply it. To surpass the deeds of others is unimportant. To surpass your own deeds is all. 9. Act now. Your dreams are worthless. Your plans are dust. Your goals are impossible unless they are followed by action. You procrastinate because of fear. To conquer fear, you must always act without hesitation. Only action determines your value in the marketplace, and to multiply your value, you should multiply your actions. This is the time, this is the place. You are the man and you will act now. 10. Pray for guidance. Who has not called to his God in a moment of great disaster or heartbreak? Who has not cried out when confronted with danger, death, or mystery beyond his normal experience or comprehension? Are not your cries a form of prayer? Never will you pray for gold, love, good health, petty victories, fame, success, or happiness. You will only pray for guidance. The guidance you seek may come or may not come, but both are an answer. If the child seeks bread from his father and it is not forthcoming, has not the father answered? If you like this video, please share it. Also, if you want to watch more book summary videos, please subscribe to the channel Entrepreneur Library TV. Thank you very much.